What's up, everybody? I'm going to wait a few seconds here in case anybody wants to actually jump on live. I just want to share with you that I went back and started looking at, I know in previous episodes of Seller Roundtable that we were talking about dynamic bidding, the new, dynamic bidding on PPC campaigns from Amazon. And I'd said initially not to use them, that I'd tested them and that they were not working. But I wanted to just update you on that. So I've been letting dynamic bidding run now for a while on some of my campaigns, and I'm actually starting to think that they are a net plus. In some of our campaigns, we saw reduction in ACOS without touching those campaigns, which is kind of unheard of. So I definitely think that the dynamic bidding is working. So I definitely think that you should test it. Now, the more I started digging and the more I started reading and researching, there's a couple of things going on. If you're starting a new campaign, it might not work very well because it doesn't have enough data. So once you actually start using, using that dynamic bidding, it actually works better on a seasoned campaign. So a campaign that has lots of data that Amazon already has to use to put through its machine learning. So if you go ahead and have a campaign that's seasoned, meaning it's been up for a while, it's got a decent amount of data, you might want to try to enable the dynamic up and down bidding. As I said, in the campaigns that we tested it with and actually left it running for quite a while, it seems like the results improved the longer we kept it enabled. So I definitely think that it's worth another look. So initially I said not to use it in my testing, but now I'm saying you should definitely give it a try on the dynamic up and down bidding. Give it another try if you've tried it and not had good results like I did initially, because what I'm seeing is that if you let it run for longer, you actually will see a net positive. At least we have in a lot of the campaigns that that we've been running. Now, that being said, you of course want to continue to optimize your campaigns. But after researching it more and talking to one of my contacts at Amazon who built the tool, they're using a lot of different data sources. And some of the things that they're using are they're actually not only looking at customer intent, but also the actual keywords. So bidding up keywords that have converted for you better in the past and bidding down keywords that have not converted for you. So it's kind of combining the power of an automatic PPC campaign with a manual PPC campaign. So like there's a lot of services out there that have this like PPC automation. But what you can kind of look at this dynamic up and down bidding as built-in PPC automation for your campaigns, because it's actually going to learn what works and what's working and what's not working on those PPC campaigns. So definitely something to look into. Anyway, that's all I got for now. I will come back and update you guys on either another quick live or possibly with we'll revisit it on one of the future seller roundtables. Yeah, all right, guys. I just want to touch on that real quick, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Later.